Short unboxing video on the new M12 stubby and the newer high-speed ratchet 3/8 long reach. So all you get, cardboard, new ratchet, looks pretty good, some paperwork, the thing that nobody ever wins, and the brochure. So there's that. This one is a kit with a 2 amp hour battery and a charger. It's actually a nice case. There it is. Pretty cool. Pretty nice. And all you get is the charger with that. And the paperwork's over here. And that's it. And here's a short video of what it's replacing. The snap-on. It's going to be sold on eBay. I can't believe what they want for these things. It's nuts. Nobody should be paying $1,000+ for that. The new M12 and the old workhorse.